Hello everyone, welcome to the next video of data structure and algorithm. In this video, we'll discuss one more mechanism or insert mechanism in single linked list. So you have to insert a node at the end of the list. So how that should be done? So from the diagram itself, you are clear that this is how the linked list will be represented. Okay. So I need to insert a new node, which is new node and created. So memory 5000 will be given, and this particular node I need to insert at the end, means after 4000. Okay, but what is the problem here? We are having the data of start only, which is keeping the address of the first node, and the new node what I need to insert. But problem is I need to traverse and I need to reach at the end first of all. Once I'll reach to the end of the node or to the last node, then the connection is very easy, because in the next part of the last node, I need to keep 5000 so that this connection can be established. Okay. So how to reach to the last node? That is what the challenging task. Okay. Because we need to connect the new node with the existing lead at the end. Done. So in traversal mechanism, we have seen how we are just changing the variable to the next node, and finally we are reaching at the end. Okay, so one temp variable I can use which will help me for the traversal. So I'll give the value of start to temp, so that temp will point to the first node. Now what is my challenge here? I need to reach at the end, and what is the speciality of the last node out of all nodes? Its next part is null, means I need to check or I need to go to the next node till I am not reaching to a node whose next is none. Okay, so I'll put a condition here that while temp next is not equal to null. Okay, so till the time I am reaching to that node whose next is not equal to null, I'll just go on next. Okay, so you can check here, temp next is not equal to null, obviously, because temp next is here 2000. So what I'll do now, I'll come to the next node, temp equal to temp next. Okay, so now temp will point to 2000. Again, I am checking temp next is what? Now temp next is 3000. Not equal to null. Yes, true. True means instantly just come and point to the next node. Okay. Again, check temp next is 4000, which is not equal to null. True. So temp will be pointing to the next node. Okay. So that means this node will be updated to the next node. Now here temp next is what? Now temp next is null. Null is not equal to null, false. So come out of the loop, because I reached to that particular node, which is my last node. Okay. And after that, I need to write only temp next equal to new node. Okay. So without disturbing any node, what we need to do in array, that we need to shift every node to one left. We are not doing that here in linked list, but we are just reaching to the last node and then connecting here. We are just writing 5000 and this new link will be done. Okay, and the list will be created once again with the help of insert at the end. Okay, so how you are doing this, or whatever the discussion we have done, how will represent through program. Okay, so let us write void insert end. Okay, now if you have seen the previous video, then you could have understood how I am creating a new node, how I am inserting the value. Okay, so for any kind of insertion, remember up to this one is same. Okay, what is that? Now you have to declare a new node variable, you have to declare one item variable, you have to allocate the memory for the new node, Then you have to check whether memory is allocated or not. If memory is allocated, then you have to take the input for the value. Then you have to keep that value in the info part and null in the next part. Then you have to check whatever the node you have created recently, whether this is the first node or not. If this is the first node, then assign the value to the start. Okay. But if that is not the first node, means start is not null, then I have to do some processing. Okay. So I cannot change the address of the start node. So I have to assign the start to one temp variable. Clear? I need to reach at the end. How to reach at the end? So I have to check while temp next is not equal to null. Till the time I have to just go to the next node. Okay. And when my loop will be over, then we will confirm that my temp is pointing to the last node because its next is null. Clear? Then I need to connect temp next equal to that new node itself. Okay. Done. Very simple process is here. If my start is not null, then start will be assigned to temp and temp will go on searching the last node. When temp next will become null, temp will stop there. And then I'll connect the last node with the new node. Okay. Then here I have to add one more option again. Insert at end. Case for insert end. Okay. So let us compile. Done. Option has been given. So suppose insert end the option directly I'm choosing 11. So is the first node I have created. So instantly if I'll traverse, I'll get the value 11. Check 11 is here. Okay. After that insert end. So 4. It is asking for the value at 22. Again insert and end. So suppose 33 I'm giving. Then it will be inserted. How I'll know that? I have to traverse. See 11, 22, 33. One by one. At the end, I am doing the insertion. With this existing list, suppose I want to insert one more time at the end. So 55 I have given. Then what should be my output? This 55 should be after 33. Now check. This is available. So 11, 22, 33, 55. Clear? So this is how we'll insert a new node at the end without disturbing the other nodes. Okay. So the same process we are following in every insertion with a bit of change with the logic. Okay. So that you can practice and you can know that what the thing you need to modify so that the insert at end process can be done. Okay. The same process again, the algorithm, you are creating a new node, then you read the item to store the new node info will be item. Okay. So it's a typographical error. Insert at end. Okay. Then new node info equal to item you are doing. New node next equal to null. Independent node you are creating. After that, you are checking whether you are doing the insertion for the first time or rest of the time. If rest of the time, then you cannot change the address of start. So you are assigning to temp and then you are in a search of last node. Finally, you are getting the last node after this while loop. So the last node next part will become the new node and it will be connected. Okay. So algorithm is simple like the program. So I'll suggest again that everyone should execute the program and experience the beauty of single linked list. So thank you everyone for watching this.